So hello guys, as yesterday we have talked about the arrays. There are basically two types of arrays, scalar variables and the array. Array is basically the type of word which is used in an operating system so that it is used for grouping of different objects or the grouping of different methods. Now if we see further look into that, we have different types of operators in Linux operating system. So in Linux operating system basically we have arithmetic, relational, boolean, string and file testing operators. So as I said earlier, that was the brief part of the explanation of these operators. Now if we go into detail operation or detail of operating the operating systems, then we can go for first arithmetic operations. In the arithmetic operations we have basically we know the plus, minus, into, divide by, or as in the coding names we will go on for that. Now we will first go to the addition. So addition means basically there will be two operands A and B. Now we will go for in addition we will have two operands so that the both will be added and the sum will be given. Like if we go to the command $A plus $B leads us to the answer C. So in the command we will go for echo C, means list the C or show the result. Next we will go for subtraction. Here there will be two operands A and B. The operand on the left is being subtracted by operand on the right. So we will subtract the left number from the right, so that we will get the answer and we will show as an output. Next we will go for multiplication. Both the operands are multiplied and the output is given. Next we will go for division. So basically if we know the division, we have two parts, numerator and denominator. Here also we have two operands A and B. So which is in the topper will be divided by B. So if we consider the general division also, it happens. So in this part we will have two operands. So the upper operand is being divided by below operand, that is denominator, and the output is given. Next if we go to the other operations which are performed by arithmetic operator, modulus. Modulus means divides the left hand operand by right hand and the operand is given by the remainder. So here we can actually see that this is also division. In parts of division we have the percentile wise. So if we want to take the modulus means basically dividing and giving the remainder, or the dividing and giving the percentage. This is the modulus. So modulus has been described as there will be two operands and A and B. If you want the modulus of A and B, you should give EXPR expression. We will as in the command mode we will write the for single column expression $B percentile by $A close of the single bracket or single quotation. So here we will go for the output will be given in the C. C means we will give the answer echo C, that means it will list the answer of the modulus. Next we will go for the assignment. If you want to assign any number for the any value or any variable, you can give equal to symbol. Here if you want to use that, A is equal to $B. $B is added into or it is taken into A, so that A now itself represents the $B, means A represents the value of B. So A is the variable and B is the numerical here. Now if we go for equity, means we will have the symbol double equal to, two equal to. So if we see in the double equal to, we basically see this option for letting us know that two operands are equal. If they are equal, then the answer will come true. Here the expression will be written as $A is equal to $B. If it is true, then the answer will come as true. There is another option also, not equal to. If the given numbers are not equal or different, then this comes as true. This is the command that is given to the not equal to. That is the command is exclamatory mark equal to. So now we can write the command by $A exclamatory mark equal to $b. That is not equal to. If it is not equal to, then the answer will come as true. These are the different types of arithmetic operations or operators. Now we will move on to the relational operators. Relational operators are the operators which we can, as I said earlier, we can know the equity, greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to. These are the options or operations that are done by this operator. So if we go to this operation or operator, first we have equity. It will check the equity or equality of they are equal or not between the two operands. If it is true, it will give the answer true, and we will write this by $a is slash or hyphen eq $b. This is the relational operator. In that we will give equal to, so that is equity, means the numbers should be equal. Here the numbers are equal or not, we will be found by this operation. Now not equal to, there also we have not equal to, but that is not equal but different. So here it is not equal to, just it is not equal to. If the given numbers are not equal, then this is operation which we will use to find out whether the given numbers are equal or not. So these are the two operations that are given for equal and not equal operations for two numbers. We can further move on to the greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to. Here the commanding, the purpose of the writing the command is same, but commanding is different, means the command scripting is different. There we will write for the equal to, not equal to, equal and exclamatory mark equal. But here we will write the hyphen eq or hyphen ne means not equal. So further, if we move on to the greater than, it will check the two operands. If the if the operand on the left is greater than operand on the right, then the answer will be given greater than, so that the operation is given by $a hyphen gt dollar symbol b. So the next we will go to lesser than. In lesser than we will have the two operands. If the operand on the left is lesser than operand on the right, then it will give the operand or the expression that will come out as $a lt hyphen lt $b. Now we will move on to the next equal to with greater or equal to with less, means greater than or equal to or lesser than or equal to. For greater than or equal to, we will compare the two operations of the a and b, whether the value might be greater than or equal to, then the operation will end with the command it is true, or it will go for false. If the suppose we take a number, operand a is 6 and operand b is 5, so that here the greater than it is greater than 6 is greater than 5. So here the operation will work and the operand will work, so that the answer or the output will come as true. Suppose we have a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 6. If we give this command, then it will come as true. But if we give 6 is greater than, I mean a equal to 6 and b equal to 8, then a is not greater than b, so that will come as false. Here the notation symbol is, or the command which we give is $a hyphen ge $b. Next we will go to the lesser than or equal to. In lesser than or equal to, as it is the simultaneously part of greater than or equal to, but here if the number is greater, it will come as false. If the number is lesser than or equal to, then it will come as true. Here the operands are a and b, so that $a hyphen le $b. So this is the topic which we have learned about the operators and the operating parts of the different Linux operating system. Still there are we have Boolean operations, string operations and file testing operations, which we will cover tomorrow. Thank you.